Hi,
Hi, I'm Ann Marie. How can I help you? And I'd be the one taking care of you, first of all.
okay. I'm calling because I'm looking for a new stylist. The last stylist that I had last spring burnt off my hair with a biolash, and so I'm also losing a lot of hair. So I saw that you guys do extensions. So I wanted to see if I would be a candidate. Um, because I know there's different types of extensions on the market now.
Yes.
Like I saw that one with the UV light that you cure.
I've been doing extensions for 19 years. It's what I do. I'm so sorry to hear that you had a mishap with your hair. That's can be very traumatic and disappointing. How long is your hair currently?
It's probably just touching my shoulders. I had like an asymmetric
Okay.
bob for years, and but the length in the front I had it was longer than the back, but because it got all burned off with the biolage, it's still it's almost the same length, but it's still broken up, and it's not very healthy. So I'm trying to. I got like the K18, and I'm doing everything I can to try to bring it back to life. But I
Yeah, I completely understand. So, how soon were you looking to book a consultation?
well, are what I know that you said that you specialize in hair extensions, but do you also do cuts? And are you a master stylist? I guess they call it.
I was formerly a Redken educator. I taught all across the country, and it looks as though that you did visit my book a call page. So did you happen to spend some time on my website already?
Not too much time, but yeah, I did take a peek at it. Uh,
Okay. Uh, Sorry, go ahead.
no, no, you go ahead.
Oh, so I've been doing hair for like 30 years and I specialize in makeovers. So for yourself, I've been specializing in corrections across the board since the beginning of my journey into being a stylist because I always liked makeovers and helping people feel good about their hair. So you don't have to go anywhere else as far as like your color, your cut, whatever your issues are with
Oh,
your hair.
cool.
I can take care of absolutely everything. My other point of difference too is that since 1999, I stopped double booking any hair clients because as a younger stylist back in the day, I didn't like working on two people at once. I just, it never made any sense to me. Just like, doctors overbook, hairstylists are still guilty of it. And it's just not, I don't do it that way. So what you can expect when you come in for my consultation, it is an hour and a half. The fee for it is $200, and we go through absolutely everything. And you have a private environment, and then my 30 plus years of experience. If you haven't taken a look at my portfolio, I'm also a photographer, so every single makeover that's on my website is a cut, a color, a look uh, of what I've done previously. So whether you're redhead, blonde, brunette, or blonde, redhead, or brunette, you can always feel comfortable that you not only can have your hair fixed, but if you decide, oh, Anne Marie, you know what, I'm kind of bored with my hair, I can change it. I'm not afraid of what I do. So
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
the consultation you said is $200. That's for the service or just the consultation itself?
That's for the consultation itself. And then what we do is decide together like the colors, what's going to match, and I explain everything as far as like the maintenance, what it looks like. On average, my clients, I use fusion hair extensions. Those have the most longevity. As I am certified in all of them, I find that like my client, she came in for she calls it her little mini glow up. She's heading out to Denmark today. She's had her extensions in for 4 months, so she's going to be booking here in the next 3 to 4 weeks because the extensions can last up to 5 months. So then with extensions, uh, like what you had gone wrong with a balayage, even if you were looking to regain that look while you're growing out your hair, you could still have what it was that you were trying to get with chemicals, but something went wrong. So so I don't look at doing extensions as just making the hair long. I look at it from everything for your lifestyle, artistry, blending colors, and so that's been my approach.
Wow. Okay. Okay. I just don't know that I have it in my budget right now to do a consultation fee for $200 if there's no service attached to it. So,
Oh, let me ask you, just a question, do you not see value in an hour and a half meeting with somebody that has 30 years of experience as that being a service?
no, I'm not saying it's not worth my time. I'm just saying myself that I wouldn't be able to fit that into my budget right now with the expenses that I'm paying. And there's just been a lot of stuff that has happened.
What happened, what maybe went wrong with the last hair experience that you had that your hair was damaged?
Well, I mean, everybody's human, and so she did the biolage, and I had told her that maybe 3 or 4 weeks prior, I had done a bit of lightening myself by box,
Right.
but still wanted to go with biolage, and she was confident that it wasn't going to cause any damage, but it did.
Yeah. Did they take the time to do a strand test at their consultation?
No.
Yeah.
No, because I've done it before. I've been seeing her for a while, and
right.
so, I think it was just something that was overlooked. We're all human. Accidents.
Oh yeah, absolutely, no doubt. Yeah, that's why. That's another reason why the length of my consultation is what it is, because I'm able to offer absolutely all the services that it normally would take a few hairdressers to provide. And then especially in your case, if somebody's had their hair previously colored, and if there's mention too that it's done at home, a lot of the box colors have what's called metallic salts and dyes in them. That's not for something you to care about. You just know that, oh, I like that color. I think I'm going to put that on my head. But that's why I also have an extensive consultation service appointment, so that like those issues can be just taken care of at that first appointment versus having anything rear its ugly head as a surprise, and then things can just go sideways if like extra care isn't taken. That's all. So
do you do services without a consultation? Let's say I wanted to get a haircut only. Would you be able to do a haircut without a consultation, or do you require that?
no, the consultation is the first process to work with me and my salon.
So the consultation is required?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
So.
Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate you giving me a call back. I'll take this into consideration, and then if I proceed, I'll give you a call. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh,
all right.
Well, if it's just one other food for thought, as much as you might like to get hair extensions, I can relate to that. You do have my information, and if nothing more, you could have you could come in for an hour and a half, and I can certainly at least guide you for that time and that fee in the right direction, where you would be making some wise choices for your hair. So just give it some thought.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. See you.